If you are just getting ready to go on Medicare, you have a road that is going to fork. You're either going to get a Medicare supplement plan, a Medicare Advantage plan, or you're going to choose just to stay on the government's original Medicare, your red, white, and blue, Part A and B. I hope you do not take this fork in the road. I don't want anybody over here. There's millions of people that said, that's good enough. They will eventually find out all the holes in Medicare and why most people supplement the government's Medicare with either Medicare Advantage or Medicare Supplement. So Medicare Supplement or Medicare Advantage, which is better? Medicare Supplement's better. There, I said it. That's what I want you to buy when you're first going on to Medicare Part B, if you can afford it and if you understand it. Yes, it'll have a monthly premium, depending on your age and where you live. If you're a female in 2023, any place but New York or Florida, it's about $120 a month, give or take. $120 a month for a Medicare Supplement Plan G. It's going to vary based on your zip code, what company you go with, but around $120 a month for a Plan G. And you're like, yeah, but I can get a Medicare Advantage plan with a 0 monthly premium. Yeah, you can. 2 different ways to supplement your Medicare. Actually, when you get Medicare Advantage, you're actually getting private Medicare. It's not a supplement, it is private Medicare. It's all administered by a private insurance company. So it might have 0 monthly premium. The actual cost will be based on what's available to you in your zip code where you live. But about 70% of the country does have a plan that is 0 premium. And a Medicare supplement, like I said, if you're a female, about $120. If you're a male, about $150. Those other states will cost considerably more. New York will be more than double. The bad news. Okay, so $120 versus 0. People are like, I'll take the 0. Well, with the Medicare Advantage, you will pay a copay every time you use it. You're like, I don't care. I don't go to the doctor. I see the doctor once a year. Medicare Advantage might be a very good option for you. I still would like for you to buy a Medicare supplement if you can easily afford that cost. Because with a Medicare supplement, you can go to any doctor, any hospital. Yes, you can go to the Mayo Clinic, but you typically cannot go to those centers of excellence with Medicare Advantage. You can go anywhere in the country, no paperwork, no referral, no prior author. It's just simple, it's easy, it's beautiful. You won't know how beautiful it is until your premiums go sky high, which they will. They will go up 5 to 10% a year. It varies by company, by region. There's a lot that goes into those price increases. And that's where we bring our experience to bear in giving you a recommendation. But it's going to go up every year, whether you use it or not. And after a couple years, you're going to say, ouch. And that's when I could say, okay, you want to try Medicare Advantage now. Since you were already on a Medicare supplement, you can try Medicare Advantage for up to a year. And if you don't like it, you're like, I don't like these copays. I don't like needing a referral. I don't want to deal with this anymore. You're guaranteed by law. Google it, Medicare trial rights. You're guaranteed by law. You have to go back to your Medicare supplement company. They have to take you regardless of your health. You don't have to answer any health questions. They have to take you. Now, if they're no longer selling new policies, then any Medicare and supplement insurance company has to take you, regardless of your health. So it's nice if you've been on a Medicare supplement for years and then it gets too pricey, then you know where you can go to save money, and you also know that you have a way to get out if it wasn't worth it. If you really did not like Medicare Advantage, you could use those Medicare trial rates. So if you can afford it is the key thing, and not everybody can afford it. And how you feel about insurance is different. Some people are like, I'd rather roll the dice on 0 a month and that I stay healthy. And I could think how much money I can save by not paying this money a month. So it's how you feel about insurance, how you feel about your health, your genetics, but it comes down to money. It comes down to money. And if you can easily afford a Medicare supplement, that is what I will buy. That is what I recommend to my clients, but they can't all afford it. So there's no shame in going to Medicare Advantage. About half of our clients at the Medicare Family last year chose a Medicare Advantage. About half chose a traditional Medicare supplement plan. We just want to show you what your options are and explain how they all work and help you make the decision that you feel most comfortable with. And just remember, you're not married to that decision. When you turn 65 or just going on Medicare, you're going to live another 20 years, right? At least. And you might change around several times, many times. You might change every year. So you're not married to your decision in most cases. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.